So I'm going to remove the 3 direction ground switch here. Oh, if I'm looking at the connection, I have the black, the positive, going inside the utility, going back to the transfo. The red and black is the transfo out, going the switch, going in the on-off power, going back to the fuse. The fuse going back to the white. So I don't really like that. I prefer the positive going directly to the fuse. So I'm gonna cancel this one, and I'm gonna change the circuit a bit because it's not nice. So I have my front amplifier here, and I'm gonna remove the 3 switch position here. I think I'm gonna remove. That's strange. I can see the black here going inside the utility prong here. But the black is the positive. So it should, what the hell? It should be on the fuse. The positive go on the fuse first. So I'm gonna change out that circuitry here. I'm gonna cancel the 3 switch, and I'm gonna cancel the utility plug. No, I'm gonna. That's weird. From closer here, I can see that the positive, the black's coming here on that prong and going after on the transfo. I can see the red here coming out of the transfo. So this is the primary coil here on the transfo. And what the hell? This is the fuse. How the fuse is connected with the white. And the gray, that going to the fuse, that going to the red. I don't know. So I'm gonna start with some solder paste. I want to remove that switch again. I'm using cheap solder paste here. No. Okay, let's go. With my beautiful sucker here. I'll start with putting some bit of solder line here to get a good contact. Not welding, I'm removing here. So I want it to be hot. I want it to have a good contact over here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, shooks. Again, do shooks. Nice. That side, can I do something fast? Shook, shook, shoot. Okay. So now I'm gonna remove it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oops. 1, 2, no, 2, 2, 2. Yes, here we go. So that's done. To that I'm gonna go more. The hell? Huh. So somebody changed something somewhere. So here. Some blacks. Blacks here. Blacks here. Can I just suck it up? think they put too much shit here. Oh, fuck. One.